I was sent this first aid kit, so let's open it up and talk about it. Now, as a mom, it is so important to have first aid kits in my car, in my house, when we travel, everything. So this one is really heavy duty. You can tell it's just like a really nice nylon bag. I love all the handles to it. There's even back here, I guess if you were like running to go somewhere, you could throw that under your hand, and these do unclip as well. So that is great. Plus you have a clip here, so you could clip that up and have a carry handle there as well. So nice bright yellow on red on black, easy to find. And then you have your zipper front here where you can put something for easy access. And then you also have a zipper here. Now when this opens, it is full of items. So inside here we have some burn care. We have a first aid guide. So if you need a little bit of information of what to do when something happens, this will give you some treatment options. We have disposable mask. We have the cool patches, several of those, and then also a bigger first aid guide as well. So this is great, especially when you have kids and they come to you with some crazy bumps and bruises. This will help with knowing what to do with those. Okay, let's go to the inner sections of this bag. And I'll go ahead and pop it on here so we can see everything. So when you open it up, lots of space. So we have two netted areas over here. You're gonna get some scissors. This is a 500-piece kit, so I might not go through every single thing. Tweezers, tape, so much stuff, an emergency blanket, something really good to have in your car. You definitely want one of these kits in your car, especially if you ever get stranded somewhere and it's cold. So we have all kinds of stuff in there. Let's see what we got down here. Oh, we have more of the softer tape. And then lots and lots of bandages. This is a thermometer, so portable thermometer. Tongue depressor. I don't think I've ever had to use one of those, but that's good. More bandages. Okay, and then we have a clip here. We have another carry strap. Inside, we have more organized areas with bandages, with larger sizes of them as well. I love how everything is so segmented. This has a front zipper and the back. Oh my goodness, even more in here. Hold on. Combined wipe sheet. Okay, so lots of cleansing wipes. Good to have. And then here says tools and accessories. So it's nice and labeled. You have glow sticks, you have safety pins, you have a compass. So this is more than just a first aid kit. This is a survival kit. And then here is a pill dispenser with Monday through Sunday on it. I love that everything stays connected as well as I'm going through this. Okay, and then down here, I'm gonna lift this up. It's labeled for you. Bandage, iPad, ice packs, gauze. So it stays organized. You can find everything easily. And of course, if you have your own stuff you want to add to this, you have plenty of space to do so. So we're just going to pack it right back in. This is the treat area with your tools and accessories. This one says on it, wound care. And then we'll put this area back and then zipper it all back in. So wow, I'm thoroughly impressed. This is amazing. It's going straight to my car right now. And I think this is a first aid kit you should definitely get for yourself, for your family, for your friends, for everyone.